guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change age in Litmatch. So if you want to change your age in Litmatch, follow these simple steps and you will be able to do it. First of all, open the Litmatch application in your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you need to go to your profile section. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are on your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Under settings, you can see the second option, edit profile. You need to tap on edit profile. Now here you can see your various profile informations like your nickname, Litmatch ID, birthday and others. So if you want to change your age, you will have to change your birthday here. So tap on birthday. A pop-up will appear which says that this is the last chance to edit your birthday. So you can change your age only once on Litmatch. So if you have changed your age previously, you will not be able to do it. That's why you need to state your birthday very carefully when you change it. So tap on change. Now change the date to your correct birth date. And once you have changed it, you can go back and tap on done option at the top right corner. Now a pop-up will appear to make sure if the date is correct. So if you are sure, you may tap on confirm. And that's it, your birthday will be changed and likewise your age on Litmatch will be changed as well. You can go back to your profile and see that your age is changed here. So this is how you can change your age on Litmatch. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.